Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I got to ask this question today. It's a little bit different than my primary focus about LinkedIn, but it's about LinkedIn jobs. And the question is, how do you change the job location for your preferences on LinkedIn? I'm like, it's another video. So here we go. So, your location for your profile is right here, and you edit that by clicking on this pencil, and you can come down here and you can change your current location, you change the zip code. When you change the zip code, you get options for a different region to put. Remember, always put a region when you can, when you have that opportunity, rather than a single city. So that's one way to change how recruiters or how the system will align you with job opportunities based on the location you put on your profile. Now, there's another option. The other option is under jobs. So I go to jobs, and you can see under jobs there's a thing called job alerts. When you go to job alerts, you can create a job alert. You can have multiple job alerts. I've got 3 here. I don't know if I can have a 4th. Let's create another one. So let's look for account manager. Let's create one for Rockville, Maryland. And do I have the ability to save this alert? Let's say job alert on. So I just created another job alert. Now, if I go back to LinkedIn, go back to jobs, go back to job alerts. Look at this. I have a job alert for account manager in Rockville. I have a social media manager alert for Greensboro. I have a personal trainer for Greensboro and LTS support in the United States. So you can have multiple job alerts tied to specific locations, and those locations can be different on each one of these job alerts. Now, does the application look and see how many different job alerts you have, and are they all in different locations or the same locations? The answer is no. I get job alerts on a regular basis, and this is all testing for me. I get job alerts for social media manager and LTS support, and you can see this is for Greensboro, and this is for the US. So the simple answer to share with you is, number 1, choose the right location on your LinkedIn profile, so that when the system or when recruiters are looking for people who have the skills you have, they'll match up with the location you have and create an opportunity there. Second thing you can do is in specific job alerts, when you create a job alert or a job search and save it as an alert, you can choose the location on each individual job alert that you create. So by the way, if you like what I'm sharing here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos as I create more videos all about the use of LinkedIn. This is my number 1,000. This is my 1,000th video that I have produced for YouTube. So thank you very much, everyone who asked me questions. Thank you, everyone that gives me the opportunity to create videos so I can help, share, encourage, motivate, and train. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this video is helpful as well.